A Filipino Chinese born in June 1987, he experienced living a wealthy life in his early years. Everything changed when both of his parents passed away. And that's when he learned one's success does not depend on their parents. It depends on himself. After being a registered nurse, he volunteered at Palawan Provincial Hospital. A man with extreme passion for helping, he wanted to help not only those who are sick physically, but also those who have been psychologically, emotionally, and financially challenged. He focused on helping others achieve their dreams in life, guiding hundreds of people from different walks of life to earn their first million. He has influenced people from all over the globe, shared his story before 15,000 people in MOA Arena. He has spoken to crowds of over 20,000 people. He has mentored thousands, building leaders, dreamers, and achievers. He believes that if you're living but you're not making anyone's life better, you're wasting your time. One message, one goal. To inspire people all over the world to do something good, no matter how big or small, for someone else. Big dreams, big action, big inspiration. Please welcome Mr. Philip Hung Jr.
Hi, my name is Philip. I'm one of the founders of Legacy Builders. This is our community where we help a lot of people from different walks of life become entrepreneurs and having their own business. What we're gonna talk right now is what we call network marketing. According to Fortune magazine, network marketing is the best kept secret in the business world. Also, Robert Kiyosaki, a world-renowned entrepreneur and a business owner, wrote a book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, calling network marketing as the business of the 21st century. Along with Donald Trump, the President of the United States of America, wrote a book, Why We Recommend Network Marketing. And there's a quote saying no other industry on earth has created as many millionaires as network marketing. And also, Mr. Anthony Robbins, a world-renowned business coach and entrepreneur, ang sabi niya, what's beautiful about network marketing is that you've got all the benefits of being an owner, but you don't have to worry about supply chain, accounting, especially in the world where we are in today. There are really some great companies out there, like nitong ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Ito pa yung mga taong nagre-recommend ng network marketing. Like for example, si Mr. Bill Gates, one of the richest man in the world who invented Microsoft. Ang sabi niya, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I will choose network marketing, which is exactly the kind of business na pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Also, Bill Clinton, the 42nd US President, sabi niya sa network marketing, you strengthen our economy and country, not just by striving your own success, but by giving opportunities to others as well. And also, si Richard Branson and LeBron, they also recommend network marketing. So, network marketing right now, course na to sa mga prestigious schools in the Philippines and also in the other countries like Ateneo, University of Illinois, University of Chicago, Asian Institute Management, LaSalle University, and Harvard University. And as of 2023, global sales pa lang to, network marketing has already surpassed the video gaming industry, movie industry, music industry, NFL, and the wellness industry, accumulating a global sales of $190.5 billion na po ang ating industry. Ibig sabihin, malaki po yung sales na generate natin at marami tayong natutulungan tao. So what's the difference of traditional marketing to a network marketing? Okay, pag-usapan muna natin traditional marketing. For example, you will choose a product. A product will be coming from the factory which you can buy, for example, as a bulk order or wholesale for 100 pesos. Pag mabili mo na yung product from the factory, mapupunta yan sa national agent. So may markup na naman ang national agent for its services. Pupunta na naman siya sa wholesaler. And then, sales force, then advertising, ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking markup when it comes to marketing and business, no? And retailer, mapupunta sa tindahan before makakabili si customer. Now, if nabili mo siya sa factory for 100 pesos, pagdating kay customer, it can be priced as 500 pesos. Kasi ang dami ng pinatong ni national agent, wholesaler, salesforce, advertising, retailer before si customer. What's the difference of a network marketing system? From the network marketing system, mapupunta sa factory. From the factory, directly mapupunta sa distributors like us or like you. From the distributor, mapupunta directly to the consumer. So, na-maintain natin yung affordable price at quality products. Ang kagandahan dito, lahat ng kinikita or pinatong na komisyon ni national agent, wholesaler, salesforce, advertising, and retailer kanino napupunta? Directly sa distributor na pupunta, which is mapupunta sa'yo. Kaya maraming kumikita ng malaki in network marketing business. Kaya for sure, baka may narinig ka na, nag-network marketing before, ngayon may sarili ng sasakyan, nakapagpatayo ng bahay, guminhawa ang buhay. Definitely, may narinig tayong mga ganyang kwento. So, don't get me wrong when it comes to network marketing and a scam. Okay? Ang scam, ito yung sasabihin sa'yo, mag-invest ka, wala kang gagawin, tutubo yung pera mo in 3 to 5 years. Scam po yun pag narinig mong ganon. Ang legitimate network marketing, they have the systems, the products, and pag pumasok ka sa isang network marketing company, you get more than your money's worth or value for money ang lahat ng investment mo dito. Now, in network marketing, there is what we call the middleman concept. Mas pinapadali nito ang ating pagnenegosyo. Many years ago, these platforms didn't exist pa. For example, Netflix. Sila ang pinakamalaking movie provider pero they started without producing a movie. Pero silang pinakamalaking movie business right now. Next, Alibaba, Shopee, Lazada. They are the biggest mall in the world pero wala silang kahit isang mall. Anong meron sa kanila? Online platform. Next, Grab Taxi. They're the biggest taxi business pero they don't own even a single taxi. Anong meron sila? Online platform. Same goes with Airbnb, TripAdvisor, Trivago. They don't own a hotel business pero they are the biggest hotel business in the whole world. Anong meron sila? Online platform. So, this is the perfect time for you to start a business. Bakit? Sa maliit na puhunan, pwede kang kumita kagaya ng mga kinikita ng mga big businesses out there. Because this is the golden era of online marketing. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan para kumita ka kagaya ng kinikita ng malalaking businesses out there. This is your chance to start right now. So how to become part of Legacy Builders and enjoy its benefits? Simply purchase an account. One account is only 16,988. So what are the benefits of having an account with Legacy Builders and Supremacy International? First benefit na makukuha mo is you will receive a high quality products from Japan. We have healthy coffee, healthy juice, ashitaba, and we also have lifestyle products. Second benefit, you will own a drop shipping website of your own. Under your name, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website where we can sell these products. Marami na pong kumikita sa online ngayon, multi-millions by just selling online. How does drop shipping work? First, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website and sarili mong link. Which pag nag-click yung client sa link na yon, pupunta siya sa online website mo. And then the customer will order from your website and automatically the supplier will pack the order of your client and the supplier will also deliver the product to your customer. And automatically, dahil ikaw ang nag-share ng link or advertisement ng product natin, you will earn a profit. So, nababypass mo na ikaw pa yung magbabalot ng products mo at magpapadala sa JNT or LBC or Flash Express at hindi mo na rin kailangan magkaroon ng warehouse for the inventory. Third benefit, you will have a 10-in-1 franchise license. Our Supremacy franchise is already available sa Robinsons, SM, and Ayala. And before ka makapasok sa mga malls na yan, napakatinding pagsusuri ang gagawin yan sa'yo para makapasa ka sa quality control. And good news ko sa'yo, makikita na po tayo sa Robinsons, SM, Ayala, Unimart, at marami pang ibang locations out there. So we have 10 franchise concept. Automatically, by purchasing the package, you will become a licensed franchisee of these 10 packages already. We will give you a direct access to the supplier. Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong ordering system website where you can order all the raw materials ng 10 franchise natin, and once you place your order, it will be delivered to you door to door, Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao ka man. Next, paano kung wala akong experience at di ako marunong magtayo ng isang business? Huwag kang mag-alala. Since this is a franchise, meron ka na kasama sa package mo na free training. Everything that you need to know about the business, kung paano siya gagawin, how to manage your funds, lahat ituturo sa'yo. And pagtapos ng live training, magkakaroon ka pa ng access ulit sa mga recorded videos if ever may nakalimutan ka kung paano gawin ang isang product natin. Next, kahit ganong kasarap at ganong kaganda ang product natin, without the marketing, medyo mahihirapan kang magbenta. The good thing about Supremacy Franchise, we have provided marketing collaterals for you ready to use. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga posters, videos, and even the captions, all the marketing ads na kailangan mo i-post online is already provided. Ika-copy-paste mo lang siya and you can use it for your own business na. Plus, may POS system ka pa where you can monitor your in and outs ng sales mo. Paano ka magsisimula? Wala ka pang pwesto. Itong good news ko sa'yo. You can start a cloud kitchen. Ano yung cloud kitchen? Ito yung tinatawag na ghost kitchen or virtual kitchen. Hindi may multo sa kusina mo. Ito yung tinatawag na virtual kitchen, which sa sarili mong bahay may sarili kang franchise business where you will post our products online. Pag may nag-inquire sa'yo at nag-order, pa-partner with a rider, and then the rider will deliver your products to your customer, and automatic you will earn a profit. Sa sarili mong bahay, ginagawa yung franchise products natin. And later on, if you want to upgrade into a physical store, pwede pa rin. Like itong mga physical store partners natin na meron sa Robinsons, SM Ayala, and Unimart, and MMDA office, and a lot more. Fourth benefit is the travel franchise license. Travel business ang industry na hindi bumabagal at palaki ng palaki. Right now, the travel industry is $11.4 trillion industry, and it is projected in the next 5 years, it will be $26 trillion industry. Bakit? 1.3 billion ang nagta-travel taon-taon. 600 million hotel rooms ang binubook taon-taon, and most of the bookings nangyayari online. So how can we become part of this fast-growing company? By becoming a travel and tours agency. The good news is we have Sky Innovations. You don't need a huge capital, no accreditation needed, no office setup needed. Using your cell phone or laptop, you can just plug and play, and you can start booking international, domestic flight and hotel bookings, and soon, travel and tours booking. And kasama na rin po yan sa package ninyo. The fifth benefit of the 16,988 package, you will have lifetime discount on all the products na meron tayo. So this will become a big savings for you and the whole family. Kung sa mall nga 3-day sale, pinupuntahan natin, how much more ito? 35% on all the products na in-offer ni Supremacy International. The sixth benefit na ma-receive mo is what we call BTC or the Business Tracking Center, where you can monitor your inventory, accounting, transaction, and all your commissions. Makikita mo dyan. Using your own username and password, you can monitor your business 24/7. Seventh benefit, magkakaroon ka ng weekly payout. So lahat ng commissions mo can be in cash Monday, and by Friday, papasok na siya sa Union Bank account mo or ma-receive mo siya as cheque. By earning every week can be a big savings for you. Hindi mo na kailangan galawin yung galing sa salary mo or galing sa ibang business mo. Eighth benefit is magkakaroon ka rin ng travel incentive, local and international, El Nido, Palawan, Boracay, Siargao, Taiwan, Bali, Indonesia, South Korea, Japan, and Hong Kong. These are all expenses paid trip given to you by Supremacy International. Kasama na dito ang airfare, accommodation, visa processing, breakfast, lunch, dinner, may pamerienda, and midnight snack pa. All expense paid, papunta sa local and international destinations. Ninth benefit is the car incentive program. So you can have a chance na magkaroon ka ng sarili mong brand new car by hitting these incentives. And every week, we have new car achievers. If wala ka pang sasakyan, at ikaw ang gustong pinakauna magkaroon ng sasakyan sa pamilya mo, this can be the opportunity that you've been waiting for. 10th benefit is magkakaroon ka ng access to all our offices nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, where you can order the products, you can use its facilities, and also you can attend training sa lahat ng offices na meron tayo. 11th benefit, meron kang customer service assistance na pag may tanong ka, you can just contact here on Facebook, Viber, or personal number. para masagot yung tanong mo. And 12th benefit, ito yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ko dito. Meron kang trainings na kasama sa Legacy Builders. Personality development training, social media marketing, personal branding, and financial literacy. So lahat yan makukuha mo, ma-access mo yan for only 16,988. So set that goal and be the next million earner with Legacy Builders. Yun ang lahat ng benefit ng 16,988. So that's why it's easy for us to grow in the market. And for sure, it will also be easy for you to do the business. So how fast is the return of investment? This is the exciting part. How to earn. Paano ka nakikita? First way to earn is sell and share the products and services. Paano yan? For example, you started operating your cloud kitchen business. Let's say makabenta ka lang ng 24 cups per day. In 1 month, meron kang 30,205 na gross. Let's say meron kang mga overhead expenses like logistics, other utilities, and other expenses. Less than 5, in 1 month, kikita ka ng 19,705. In short, in 1 month, nagkaroon ka na ng return of investment. Next are dropshipping products. You will have 35% lifetime discount on all Supremacy products. So one of our products is the perfume, which is mabibili mo sa mall tong mga perfume na to 5 to 10,000 pesos. But with Supremacy International, mabibili mo siya for only 385 pesos lang. Okay, which we can sell, suggested retail price niya is 590. So every time we sell a bottle of perfume, may 205 pesos ka. What if makabenta tayo ng 5 bottles per day? Ibig sabihin, may 1,025 per day ka. So in 1 month, you will have 30,750 pesos. Next, since included sa package mo ang Sky Innovations account, pwede ka na rin mag-book ng domestic, international, and hotel accommodations. Sa domestic flights, you can earn 350 pesos per way. So round trip, that's 700 pesos. So let's say you have 10 bookings a day. Magkakaroon ka ng 7,000 pesos per day, and if naging consistent yung bookings mo per day, magkakaroon ka ng 210,000 pesos a month. For international travel or bookings, you will earn 700 pesos per way. So round trip is 1,400 pesos. Let's say nagkaroon ka ng 10 bookings per day. So magkakaroon ka ng 14,000 pesos per day. Times 1 month, may 420,000 pesos a month ka. Same goes with the hotel accommodations. Every night na nasa hotel sila, na nabook nila yung hotel, you get a certain commission out of it. Second way to earn is what we call direct referral bonus. This is unlimited direct referral bonus. Paano yan? May mga kakilala ka rin ba na gusto rin magkaroon ng sariling negosyo? May mga kilala ka ba na gusto rin magkaroon ng extra income, na pagod na rin sa trabaho at nangangarap magkaroon ng sariling negosyo? Ito yung tinatawag natin na K system. You can refer yung mga K mo, kaibigan, kaklase, kumpare, kumare, kapitbahay, kabit, kulasisi, kambing, kalabaw, kabayo, lahat ng K pwede yan. What will happen is, I will present the business sa mga referral mo, and every time may nag-a-avail ng 16,988 na package, you will earn 3,000 pesos for every package sold. For example, friend mo or may nag-inquire sa Facebook through ads, nirefer mo sa akin, pinresenta natin Zoom or face-to-face, at nagustuhan niya rin yung package and ways of earning. Ngayon, nag-avail siya ng isang package worth 16,988. Since ikaw ang nag-refer sa kanya, you will earn 3,000 pesos. Next, may another friend ka. Pinresentan ulit natin ang business and nag-avail siya ng 16,988, you will get another 3,000 pesos. And next, may nag-inquire sa'yo online. Paano ba yung ginagawa mo? Through your advertisement. Nag-inquire siya at pinresenta natin, nag-avail din siya ng 16,988. Again, you will earn 3,000 pesos. So this is unlimited. So kung isa po ang referral, you earn 30,000 pesos. If may 100 ka na referral, you earn 300,000 pesos. The question is, niloko mo ba sila? No. Because all the benefits that you got, nakuha rin nila. It means may travel agency rin sila, may franchise business din sila, may dropshipping business din sila, may products, and all the benefits na nakuha mo, meron din sila. Third way to earn is what we call the quick start bonus. Paano yan? Earn 5,000 for your first pair. For example, ikaw to. Magkakaroon ka ng left sales group and right sales group. Pag may pumasok na isa sa left at kumuha ng 6988 at pumasok din sa right na kumuha ng 6988, on top of your 3,000 direct referral commission, may 5,000 pesos ka pa. Now, let's review the income breakdown. Meron kang direct sales commission, dalawang 3,000, kaya total of 6,000 pesos. Quick start bonus of 5,000 pesos, Sa dalawang referral mo, you earn 11,000 pesos. Next, the fourth way of earning is match sales bonus. Paano yan? Sabi ng company, basta may isa ka sa left at isa ka sa right, automatic may 1.5 yan. So it is a pairing bonus. For example, sa first month mo, kumuha ka ng isa sa left at kumuha ka ng isa sa right, kagaya ng scenario kanina. May 1,500 pesos ka. Total earnings mo sa dalawang referral mo, breakdown natin. Direct sales commission, 6,000 pesos, 3,000 times 2 yan. Quick start bonus of 5,000 pesos plus the pairing of 1.5, total of 12,500. In short, sa dalawang referral mo, may 12,500 ka agad. Now, itong dalawang referral mo, the question is, may kakilala rin ba silang gusto nilang tulungan magkanegosyo? Yes naman. So, kumuha rin sila ng dalawa. So, yung dalawa pumasok, hindi mo nakakilala yan, hindi mo na effort yan. But since left and right mo sila, may additional 3,000 pesos ka na naman doon. Yung dalawang kinuha nila, kumuha rin ng tigda dalawa. May 6,000 pesos ka naman on your third month. Fourth month, fifth month, so on and so forth. Basically, every time may pumapasok na isa, kumukuha lang ng dalawa. So, posible bang makuha yung dalawa na naghahanap na negosyo na kaya rin bumili at gusto rin bumili ng 16,988 na package? Oo naman. Pagdating ng 7th month, may 96,000 pesos ka na. 8th month, 192,000. 9th month, 384,000. On your 10th month, tuloy-tuloy lang yung dalawa. 768,000. 11th month, 900,000. 12th month, 900,000. I-total mo yan, 3.3 million pesos po yan in 1 year. The question is, ilan lang po ang nirefer mo? Dalawa lang. Okay? The rest of the effort, hindi na sa'yo galing yan. Nanggaling po ito sa tinatawag na teamwork or what we call leverage. Kung mag-isa ka, mahirap kunin lahat yan. Pero pag marami tayong nagtutulungan, madali lang po yan. Ang sabi ng unang billionaire, I'd rather have 1% effort of 100 men than to rely on my 100% effort alone. Bakit? Kung aasahan ko sarili ko lang, pag magkasakit ako, hindi ako pumasok sa trabaho, nasisante ako, automatic, no work, no pay. Pero, if 100 tayo nagtutulungan, mawala man ng 5, we still have 95% production. And that is the benefit and power of the community na meron tayo dito sa Legacy Builders. Next is the product match commission. So, ang pinipare natin dito, hindi lang puro tao sa tao. May mga tao kasi na pumapasok dito na ang gusto ay ma-enjoy yung benefit ng discount and the other product services. For example, si left sales, bumibili siya ng perfume o malakas siya mag-dropshipping. Si right sales, gumagamit siya ng products natin for own consumption. Pag umabot yan ng 300 points sa left at 300 points sa right, automatically, magpe-pair yan, may 1,500 ka na naman. Pag may bumili rin ng ticket, personal or nagbebenta ng ticket sa left and right mo, pag naipon yan ng 300 points, automatic may 1,500 ka na naman. Pag may nag-purchase ng 6988 at sa right side mo naman ay may bumibili ng ticket or ng products, pag umabot ng 300 points yan, may 1,500 ka na naman. So in short, ang pinipair po natin, pwedeng product sa product, ticket sa ticket, tao sa ticket or tao sa product. Okay? Tayo lang po nag-iisang may ganyang klaseng marketing plan. So ngayon, baka iniisip mo, baka nauuna lang yung kumita. Even though you just started, it's possible for you to earn more than the person who joined earlier. Paano yan? For example, ikaw to. Meron kang left sales and right sales group. May pumasok sa left mo, si client A. May pumasok din sa right, si client B. May 1,500 ka doon. Tama ba? Ngayon, si Client B, ang gusto niya lang ay bumili ng products at mag-book ng ticket. Ayaw niya gawin yung network marketing part or yung leverage part. Pero si Client A mo, naintindihan niya yung ganda ng network marketing business na you don't have to rely on your own effort but you have to multiply yourself. By helping others, you also earn. Nagbuo siya ng left sales niya at ng right sales group niya. Ngayon, si Client A, siya ang kikita ngayon ng 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 ng 1.5 ng 1.5 ng 1.5 ng 1.5 yan. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Ngayon, sino mas malaking kita? Yung nauna or yung merong 1.5, 1.5 na nasa ilalim? So, this only shows na wala pong una-unahan sa negosyong to. As long as masipag ka, as long as may pangarap ka at gusto mong gawin yung marketing plan, malaki ang pwede mong kitain sa business na to. As for the person na nag-invite dun sa maraming 1.5 na si Client A, ano naman ang benefit niya dito? Kasi mas malaki na yung kinikita ni Client A sa kanya. Dito na, papasok yung fifth way to earn what we call unilevel commission. Paano yan? You will earn 5% commission from first to 9th level. This is your first level. Ito yung unang dalawa mo. Second level, yung dalawa kumuha ng dalawa. And so on and so forth hanggang 9th level yan. From first to 9th level, marami pong tao yan. Yung iba gumagamit ng products, nagbubook ng ticket, ginagawa yung marketing plan. Sa lahat ng binibili nila, from 1st to 10th level, meron po kayong 5% commission doon. Wala pong pinagkaiba yan sa Nescafe, for example. Mabibili mo sa wholesale price ang Nescafe for 10 pesos. You can sell it for 12 pesos. So you earn 2 pesos profit. The good thing about this is meron kang sales force. And yung sales force mo, maging personal consumption man yan, nagkakape, nagpapabango, nagjujuice, nagbubook ng ticket, sa lahat ng users ng gumagamit ng products mo at bumibili, may 2 pesos ka. So 2 pesos, 2 pesos, 2 pesos, 2 pesos. Sabihin mong maliit man siya, pero marami naman ang benta and leverage income ka doon. That's what you call 5% commission to for your first level to 10th level, you earn 5% commission sa lahat ng under ng organization. Once you purchase your 16,988, we will activate all your licenses and services will be rendered. This is non-refundable after service has been rendered. So this is a plug and play and easy system. We will be with you hanggang kumita ka dito, kagaya ng maraming earners namin. Take this chance right now and act right now. And welcome to Legacy Builders.
And this is my world.